Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 233. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 6. I don't see any other help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 4, 5. 3 here, so 1, 4, 5. 4 here, so 1, 3, 5. 3 here, so 1, 4, 5. So that means that our 3 has to be here. If we look at this column now, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 5. No help here, 1, 5, 9, and no help here, 1, 5, 9. For this top row, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 2 and 3 here, so 4, 7. 2, 3 here, so 4, 7. 2 here, so 2, 3, 7. 3 and 7 here, so 2, 4. But if we look, the only place the 3 can be is here. And then the only place the 2 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 4 here and a 7 here. So 1, 5. 1, 5, and 4 here means this is our 7. Then the only place the 4 can be is here. We can get rid of this 4 and this 4. And that 4 makes this our 8, 4. For this column now we're missing 1 and 5, and I don't see any help. For this column we're missing 3 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 6, and the 6 can't be here or here, so it must be here. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 5, 7, and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 1, 5, 7. 5 and 8 here, so 1, 7. 1, 7, and 8 here means this is our 5. 1 and 7 here means this is our 8. And now we can get rid of this 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so 1, 4. 3 here, so 1, 4, 6. 1 and 4 here, so 3, 6. 1 and 6 here, so 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 5, 7. 9 here, 4, 5, 7. 5 and 9 here, so 4, 7. 5 and 7 here, so 4, 9. That means the only place our 9 can be for that row is here. If we look at this column now, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 5, and a 3 here, so 4, 5. If we look at this column now, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 9, and no help here. 3, 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 7. We've got 1, 6, and 7 here, so this is our 4. That 4 makes this our 5, 3, 4. And that 4 makes this our 7, 1, 6, 3. We can get rid of this 3. This 1 makes this our 7, 4, 7. We can get rid of this 7 and this 7. This 3 makes this our 8, 3. And with this 5, we can get rid of this 5. And this 4 makes this our 1. If we look at this column now, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 5. We've got 1 and 4 here, so 2, 5. 2 and 4 here, so 1, 5. 2 and 5 here, so 1, 4. So if we look, the only place the 4 can be in that column is here. And the only place the 2 can be is here. Oh, this 4 makes this our 5, 4. And that 5 makes this our 1, 5, 1. And 5. And that 5 makes this our 1, 5. If we look at this column now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. That 6 makes this our 9, 6. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 9. We can get rid of this 5. Oh, that makes this our 9, 1. So this would be our 5. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.